A fire burning without flame and barely spreading. A. Smoldering. B. Creeping. C. Running. D. Torching. Answer: A. Smoldering. A fire spreading slowly over the ground, generally with a low flame. A. Smoldering. B. Creeping. C. Running. D. Torching. Answer: B. Creeping. A fire rapidly spreading and with a well-defined head. A. Smoldering. B. Creeping. C. Running. D. Torching. Answer: C. Running. When the foliage on a single tree or a small clump of trees ignites and flares up, usually from bottom to top. A. Smoldering. B. Creeping. C. Running. D. Kindling. Answer: D. Kindling. A fire producing firebrands carried by the surface wind, a fire whirl, and or convection column that fall beyond the main area. A. Crowning. B. Spotting. C. Running. D. Kindling. Answer: B. Spotting. A fire ascending into the top layer of foliage on a tree known as canopy. A. Crowning. B. Spotting. C. Running. D. Kindling. Answer: A. Crowning. A class of fire involving ordinary combustible materials such as wood, cloth, paper, rubber, and plastics. A. Class A fire. B. Class B fire. C. Class C fire. D. Class D fire. Answer: A. Class A fire. A class of fire involving flammable liquids, greases, and gases. A. Class A fire. B. Class B fire. C. Class C fire. D. Class D fire. Answer: B. Class B fire. A class of fire involving energized electrical equipment. A. Class A fire. B. Class B fire. C. Class C fire. D. Class D fire. Answer: C. Class C fire. A class of fire involving combustible metals such as magnesium, titanium, zirconium, sodium, and potassium. A. Class A fire. B. Class B fire. C. Class C fire. D. Class D fire. Answer: D. Class D fire.